Hello programmer, in this video we will code a random number guessing game. First, we define our random model from random import range. Okay, we want to create a random variable and keep a number between 1 and 100. Random range 1 and 100. Okay. It asks the user how many times we want to try and is in two variables. Claim integer input how many times do you want to try. Finally, we create counter. This because when we reach the number of tries granted, it helps us to terminate our codes. Counter. Okay. First, let's create an infinitely repeatable while loop. Create while loop. Okay. And it asks the user for the value we want to enter, converts it to integer type and is saved. Counter plus ASHL 1 and number integer inputs enter numbers between 1 and 100. Okay. If our number atoms is more than the counter, we create an if block so that we can continue the game. Create if block, claim counter. Okay. If the random numbers is greater than the number entered by the user, we print the message enter higher number to screen. Create if block, number and random. Okay. Print enter a higher enter a higher number and continue. Okay. Now, if the random number is less than the entered number, we print enter a lower number to screen. Create f block, number, random. Okay. Print and enter a lower number and continue. Finally, if the number entered is equal to random number, we will print the message you have won the game. Else, create else block, print you have won the game. Okay. Now let's look at the first if block we created. Okay. If the claim value cannot exceed the number of counters, we will end the game and print the message your ride is over. Create else block and print Your right is over. And break comments. And break comments. Okay. For players who cannot find random number, let's print the random number on the screen. Print randomly picked number and random. Need the codes. How many times? Oh, sorry. How many times? Once to try. Maybe 5. For example, 30. Oh my god. You have won the game. Try again. 3. For example, 50. 70. 60. Your right is over. Randomly picked number 69. Our code is complete. Thanks for watching me. You can specify your problems in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.